Everybody, use your magic finger. Now paint, Marcelo. Paint with your magic finger. Paint with your magic finger.
Wow.
Do you have paint in your finger? Be careful with the paint.
Let me see your finger, Marcelo.
You don't have paint in your finger, Marcelo. Look. Wow. Hello. Welcome to Marcelo's This channel is all about teaching early education for small kids by helping you improve your skills in an easy and fun way. Today, Marcelo is going to use his magic finger. Show me your magic finger. Show me your magic finger. Marcelo is going to paint with many paints, many colors, and Marcelo is going to have any paint in the finger. So that's why we think that it's a magic finger. What are we going to do? We need a paper. You can use a Ziploc or this paper like this one. And you need a paper. Marcelo is going to paint his name, okay? But you can have any picture there, okay? So we're going to start. What color? Do you think this is color blue?
Yeah.
Do you think this is color blue like Marcelo? Yes? Yes! It's color blue. We're going to put, look, a little bit of blue here. And then Marcelo has to paint all the letters. This is letter. Yeah, you're gonna see. Now look, we're going to close the bag. You have to, let me see your magic finger. Everybody, use your magic finger. Now paint, Marcelo. Paint with your magic finger. Paint with your magic finger.
Wow.
Do you have paint in your finger? Be careful with the paint.
Let me see your finger, Marcelo.
You don't have paint in your finger, Marcelo. Look. Wow. Look. My finger without paint. See? Now we're gonna use all the letters. Yeah. No, I don't have it. Let me see. Oh my God. No, I don't have it. What color is this? What color is this? Yes, this color is green. And we're going to add some green here in the letter A. Wow, it's a magic finger, Marcelo. You don't have blue? Oh, no. Now, let's see if your finger is going to become color green. Maybe, I don't know.
Wow,
That's
that's so
green.
nice.
No! See, you can use any picture. You can have your name there, or you can have letters, numbers, vowels, whatever you want to do there with your magic finger. See? Now, you know what color is this? What color? Blue. No, it's not blue. What color is this, Marcelo?
What color is that, Marcelo?
Green.
Oh, it's green? No.
Red.
It's yellow. Good. Use your magic finger. Wow. Oh, you don't have nothing in your finger. It's magic. Look. Wow. Magic finger, Marcelo. Very good. What color is this? What color?
Marcelo, what color is that?
Purple.
Oh, Marcelo says color purple. Do you think it's color purple? Yes. Very good, Marcelo.
Do it.
Be
Use
careful with your finger, Marcelo. Be careful with your finger.
Wow.
Magic finger. I love. Oh, very good. Good job, Marcelo. Purple. Letter C with color purple. Good. Now we're gonna use this color. You know what color is this? Let's ask Marcelo. Marcelo, you know what color is this? And you know what color is this?
Green.
It's green?
No.
Green.
Color O?
Orange.
It's color orange. Very good.
Orange.
Orange like an orange. So the paint can go out. Wow. Marcelo, of this game. And he's learning about numbers and about the letter of his name. Good, Marcelo. Now, what color is this? Marcelo, tell your friend what color is this.
Red.
Do you think it's color red? Do you think it's color red?
Yes.
Yes, very good. We're going to put here some red to the letter O. L. Very good. Do it, Marcelo. Good job.
Yeah, wow, look at that magic
Oh,
finger.
it's color red. Oh, wow. Very good. You can do it at home. Now, wow, you don't have nothing there. Now, what color is this? What color is this?
What color is that one,
Marcelo,
Marcelo?
tell your friend what color is this?
Brown.
It's color brown. Do you think it's color brown?
Brown.
Hmm.
Brown.
Yes?
Brown. Yes.
Yes, it's color brown, Marcelo.
Yes.
And the last one. And then when Marcelo finishes this one, we're going to show you all the names together. All the letters together, okay? So you can see Marcelo's name. Ready, Marcelo? Very good. So, tell your friends in 1, 2, and 3. Wow! Look! Marcelo painted all the letters of his name without painting your finger. Let me see your finger. With the magic finger. You can do all of these numbers, colors, shapes. What else? ABC with your magic finger. And remember, Marcelo, tell your friends, if you want to watch more craft and you want to learn with Marcelo's Reward, you have to subscribe. Marcelo, tell your friends, we're watching you.
Watching you.
I'm watching you. Subscribe and like.
I'm watching